Hey everybody, Cindy A. Lewis, and guess what? We are back to 3 advent calendars we're going to open. Everybody likes it so well, we're just going to keep going with this. And the first one we're going to open is our Winter Wonderland 12-cent Days of Scents from Slatkin and Company Homeworx. We are on day 9. And it is a cool winter day. A cool winter day. Is anybody having a cool winter day where you are? It's pretty cool here, but no precip or anything. So let's smell this cool winter day and see if it smells like a cool winter day. This cool winter day has a touch of spice, I think. Let's see. So cool winter day has crisp air, mountain sage, fir balsam, and blue eucalyptus. I think that's what I'm smelling, the blue eucalyptus. I didn't even know it was really called blue. Yeah, but I can smell the balsam fir and crisp air. What is crisp air? Crisp air does have a smell. It just reminds me of fall. But this is winter. So let's light this candle. Do you like lighting candles? I do. I love candles. Hence why I got this advent calendar, right? All right. Very good. There we go. And we will just put that out of the way so that I don't light anything on fire. And move to the Diamond Press Advent Calendar. Now, someone asked me today, why don't I make something, or would I make something out of the different days things? And I have done that. Every year with Countdown to Christmas, when I had the Crafter's Companion Advent Calendar, I would take whatever it was in there, because it wasn't always Christmas things, and make something Christmas with it. But it does take time, and so I have not done that this time. But I think I will try to do a video for you before I leave town. We'll see. And I will combine the different things that we've gotten so far and add something to my Christmas card journal that we made with the Dollar Tree Christmas card. All right, day 9. All right, so this one is not pushing down, see? Let's see, I have a pair of scissors right here. Let's not hurt the other fingers, right? Let's not. Oh, look at the cute puppy dog. I wonder if it is. How cute is that? It is a stamp and die set. Look how cute that is with a little puppy. Little dachshund, his hat, balloons. How cute. And that was Gracie and Hondo are here to greet you. Hi, Gracie. Yeah. How cute is that? Day 9. All right. Very nice. There's just so many fantastic things in these advent calendars. All right, let's open the Crystal Arts one. This is day 9, so we're going to open this door here. And the other ones that we've done, I put them all on the tree so you could see them all together. I know that we're going to want to figure out what our favorite is, but these are so pretty. So very pretty. And such fun little projects, you know. So, anyway, let's open door 9 right here. And it punches down in there real good, and then I got to dig it out. There we go. And it's blue. Melissa, it's blue. Did you guess blue today? All right. Every day, Melissa tries to figure out what color is going to be the main color of the ornament. So, if you haven't done the diamond painting or the crystal art work like this, you have gems or crystals that are different colors and they're numbered. The numbers correlate to the ones on the project. The project has a little sheet over it to protect the adhesive. The adhesive is already there. So all you have to do is take your little pen that has some wax on it. They give you a little bit of wax and a little tray to put your crystals in. And then you just cover each number as they're supposed to be. So like number 1 are these blue, and you can tell it should be blue. And so it's kind of like paint by number or something like that. So I'm going to go ahead, take off that little cover sheet, and I'm going to start working on it. I'll show you how it goes, and then I'm going to finish it. As you can see, the blue gems look so good on here, crystals. So I'm going to finish all the 1s, and then I'll finish the 2s and the 3s, and there's a couple of 4s that go in there. And then we'll see how it looks and put it on the tree. All right, I just have 1 to go, which is the number 3s. Look how pretty this is, really pretty. And there it is. It's so pretty. Let's put it on the tree. I'll just put it right there. Look at that. Just so pretty. Which one's your favorite so far? I actually think my favorite is the candy cane and the star. I like the star too. But I like purple, but my favorite's the candy cane. So anyway, let me know which one's your favorite so far in the chat below. And thanks so much for joining me opening these fun advent calendars.